Hi, good day. Welcome to this video. Guess what? Let's talk about attracting money. Now, are you a person who you're just settled? Like, if you just settle in life and you accept your salary, you accept that you're not doing luxurious vacations, that you're not getting that beautiful new car, like, you're just settling. You could be getting so much more. I mean, you can be activating your hippocampus in your brains to attract wealth, to attract money, to make it come your way. All of this sounds magical. For some people, it sounds impossible. I say you just need the right tools. Now, I want to talk to you about the money wave. Did you know that if we stimulate our brains and we entrain it, it could actually become one of the most powerful tools we have to attract money? Guys, the money wave is actually a program that is sound frequencies that all you have to do is listen to it 7 minutes each and every day. And you're going to see how your lives will start to change around. So the Money Waves official webpage was already left for you in the description box of this video. I also pinned it in the very first comments below. Go there if you want to purchase this program, if you want to start using it, if you want to finally change your lives around and become a person who's so much more wealthy, all right? But let me explain to you a little bit more about the Money Wave. So basically, we have to entrain our brains. By entraining our brains, we can be attracting so much towards us, okay? And wealth, money is the main thing I think that people who just have poor salaries, what they want, what they need, right? Well, not even just those people, but everyone. Everyone wants to be rich. Everyone wants to have money and not have to worry about it. So the money wave is actually sound frequencies that come in audio files that you have to listen to each and every morning. So by doing this, you're actually stimulating, you're entraining your hippocampus, which is basically your theta brainwave, and you're entraining it to just attract things, okay? Everything is energy, guys. And the more in tune you are, the better. So basically, this is also a fantastic way to get your cognitive abilities boosted, become proactive, focus, enhance your memory, get your creativity flowing, and good things come your way. So with the money wave, you can be attracting what you've always desired. You can be a person who's just becoming a lot happier, with what you're doing, with where you're at today. And people who entrain their brains, you're going to realize how these people are in control of themselves, So by taking aside each and every day, 7 minutes is what you only need. You can do this in the morning while you're in bed. It's best to do it then, because when you wake up is when your mind is the freshest. It's when it takes things in so much more easier. All right. And you can be listening to it while you're having breakfast as well, but you gotta entrain your brain each and every day. And you're going to see how the money wave will start to work for you. But in case you don't like the money wave, that's okay. Request a refund. You have a money back guarantee waiting for you on the official webpage, okay? But guys, listen to what I'm saying. You're not going to regret this. You're going to see how stimulating your hippocampus will actually help you to attract wealth, all right? Thanks for watching. Bye. See y'all next time.